All right, so we got 30% of students at a university where contact lenses. Our sample is 100 student. P hat represents the proportion of students in the sample who wear contacts. What's the appropriate model for the distribution of P hat? Specify the distribution, the mean, and the standard deviation, and then the conditions. All right, so let's first go through the conditions, okay? Number one, this is a random sample. Okay. Number two, we're looking at 100 students. So 100 is less than 10% of all students at this university. Number three is independent, so each student is independent. And number four is success failure. So 100 times 0.3, that's at least 10, and 100 times 0.7, that's NQ, is at least 10. The mean of our sample, mu, will equal P, which will equal 0.3. The standard deviation of the sample will equal the square root of PQ over N, and that's 0.046. Okay, so that's what our distribution would look like. That's the mean and the standard deviation of the sample distribution. And then what's the probability that more than 1/3 wear contacts? So this is question B. So here's what we know. We know that P is 0.3, P hat is 1/3, which is 0.3 repeating, okay, and then obviously the standard deviation is 0.046. So we're going to do Z equals 0.3 repeating minus 0.3 over 0.046, and we wind up with a Z-score of 0.727. So it's a question of at least, so we're going to do a Z-score of 0.727, and we're going to shade to the right, and we're going to go in our calculator and we're going to do norm CDF from 0.727 to 99, and we wind up with 0.234. Okay, so there's a 23.4% chance that at least 1/3 of the students in our sample of 100 would wear a contact lens.